how to use Hootsuite for social media management. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Hootsuite for social media management. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what we need to do is to create an account in Hootsuite. But if you already have an account, what you can do is just click on login right here. So since I don't have an account yet, I will start by creating an account. So for me, I'll just start with the free trial right here. But before we start creating the account, I will show you guys the different kinds of pricings that they have in Hootsuite. So I'll just go to pricings over here. And then from here, you will see there are different kinds of plans that you can use. So they have a professional plan if you're gonna use it all by yourself, a team plan if you have 3 users, and then an enterprise if you have 5 users. So let us start with the sign up. So I'll just go back to the home page, and then from here I'll just start a free trial. So to start a free trial, I'll just click on start your free trial right here, and then here you go. So from here you can choose if you want to use Hootsuite for yourself or if you want to use Hootsuite for your team. So I'll just use it for myself. So I'll just start my 30-day free trial right here, and then what I need to do is to just sign up. So I can sign up with my email, or I can sign up with my Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. So I'll just sign up with my email. And then after inputting your email, Hootsuite will ask you a couple of questions so that it can customize your homepage for you. So first, it will ask you, what would you say is your most important goal? So feel free to choose which one best applies to your goals. So for me, I'll just choose plan and publish my social media content. Then after that, it will ask you, how would you describe your role? So let's say I'll just choose this one right here. I manage my own social media. And after choosing those, I'll just click on next. And then after that, you can add your social accounts right here. So connect at least one social account now to get started. So the more accounts you connect, the more time you will save cross-posting, engaging, and growing your brand across social media. So just choose which social account you can connect here. So for me, I will just choose Facebook. And then after connecting your social account, what you can do now is just click on add more later. And then there you go. You are now done signing up. So what you need to do now is just click on let's go right here. And then there you go. You are now in the dashboard of Hootsuite. So to start off, I'll be covering the buttons right here in the left side of Hootsuite. So this right now is the home page of Hootsuite right here. So in here, we will get to see our drafts, our social accounts, and our top performing posts. And then from here, you can also create a post just by clicking on this button right here. Moving on is we have the plan. So in this right here, you can make scheduled posts in your social media. So yeah, it's as you can see over here, Hootsuite recommended us some times on when we can post so that we can get the maximum traffic on our posts. And then next, we have create right here. So in here, we can create a post. We can create content by using their AI, and we can also create ads. And then for their upgraded plans, you'll get access to a content library and a Hoot bio. Moving on is we have inbox right here. So from here, we will get to see all of our messages, comments, and notifications from all our social media. So for example, if you connected your Facebook account, your Twitter account, and your Instagram account, all of the inboxes will just go in here. Moving on is we have analytics. From here, we will get to see the analytics of our post or reports of our post. So we will get to see how our brand performs across all of our connected social networks. And then moving on is we have ads right here. So again, we can create ads right here. So we can also boost our Facebook posts, Instagram posts, and LinkedIn posts. And then we can also create ad campaigns for Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So just connect your accounts here. And then for the more button right here, we will get access to more options for Hootsuite. So first is we have streams right here. So in here, we will get to see a detailed view of our social accounts that are connected in Hootsuite. So we will get to see our posts, the engagements of our posts, and the engagement rate. So these right here are the analytics. We can also see our scheduled posts right here, and we can also see our created posts right here. And then from here, we can also see our timeline, our posts, mentions, unpublished posts, the activity of our posts, and our scheduled posts. So feel free to experiment with those. Moving on is we have Talkwalker. So we can get to navigate the world of social and consumer data. So when I click on this right here, you'll be redirected here. So this right here is still a demo. So if you want to request a demo, just fill in your information right here. So basically what this does is that it can track brand sentiment in real time, empowering you to monitor industry trends and stay updated on competition moves. And the next is we have unlimited social accounts. So this is for the paid plan right here. So we can add as many social accounts as we like to Hootsuite. Then after that, we can also download the Hootsuite mobile app so you can manage it on your phone. And then we have the app directory over here so we can install and use our favorite apps right here in Hootsuite. So right now, I will show you guys on how to create a post in your social accounts in Hootsuite. So what you can do is just go to the home page right here and then just click on create a post, or what you can do is just go to the create button right here and then you can create a post right here. So I'll just create the post just by clicking on this, and then after that I'll be redirected here. So from here we can now add our post. So the publish to area right here, this is where we can add all of our social accounts. So since I only added my Facebook account, I can only add my Facebook account right here. But if you have more social accounts, you can add more just by clicking on add a social account right here. So you can add your Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and etc. So feel free to add those. And then next is your post. So from here, we can now write captions to our post, then customize it for each social network. So we can also add emojis and hashtags right here. So as you can see over here, they have AI hashtag suggestions. And then after that, we will be moving on here. So this is our add media button. So basically what this does, we can now add pictures or videos to our post. Or what you can do is also design with Canva. So if I go to the C button right here, as you can see, we have an option to design with Canva. So for example, I'll just open up Canva, and then here we are in Canva. So I will just search a template that I can choose for Canva. So for example, I'll search a Facebook post template. So I'll just search up for Facebook post, click on enter, and then there you go. So in here we will get access to the different kinds of templates that we can use in making our Facebook post. So I'll just choose a sample one right here. So for example, I'll choose this one right here. I'll just customize this template, and then from here you can now edit the details of your template. But for me, I'll just stick with this template, so I won't do any major edits. So I'll just stick with this. So I'll just save this. So I'll just click on share, download, then I'll just click on download again. And then once it's done downloading, I'll just go back to Hootsuite. And then from here, I can now add my media. So I'll just add an image right here so I can upload from my computer or a media library. So I'll just upload from my computer. So I'll just click on that, look up for the image that I downloaded, wait for it to upload, and then there you go. And as you can see over here in the right side of our screen, we will get to see a preview on what our post would look like in all of our social medias that are connected in Hootsuite. Now let's try to add a caption to our post. Sample. So let's just add a sample caption right here. Sample caption. Let's also add open mic night, and then details, then ... And then there you go. As you can see, I will also get to see the preview on what my caption will look like on my post. And then after that is we have promotion right here. So basically this allows you to promote your post by boosting it to reach a wider audience. So as soon as you publish your post, the social network that you use, so Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, will start displaying it in your audience's timeline. So if you want to promote this post, just click on promote this post right here. And then after that, you can also add your Facebook target audience. So if I go to Facebook target audience right here and then go to add, as you can see over here, I can now edit the target audience for this post. So I can choose the age, the country, the region, city, and the zip or postal code. So feel free to edit that out. And then once you are done, you can either save this post as a draft, or you can schedule it later, or just post it now. So for me, I will just post it now. So I'll just click on post now right here. And then there you go. So my post has now been posted in Facebook. And then after posting it, when I go back to my Facebook page right here, and then as I scroll down, as you can see, the photo that I posted is now posted in my Facebook page. So you can see over here, I can see the captions and the image that I uploaded. And then to see the analytics of your Facebook post, what you want to do is just go back to Hootsuite and then go to more right here. And then you can just click on streams right here. And then as you can see, I will get to see the analytics of my posts. So I can see our post, the engagements, and the engagement rate of our post. And we will also get to see our post right here. So to see a detailed view of your analytics on your post, what you can do is just go to analytics right here. And then after that, you can create a report. So I'll just click on create a report right here. And then from here, you can choose any template you want in creating your report. So since I'm only using Facebook, I'll just use the Facebook templates right here. So I'll just create a report for our Facebook overview. So basically what this does, this measures the outcome of your posting activity. So I'll get to see the reactions and shares for my content. So once you're done choosing your template, just click on create report right here. And then there you go. Your Facebook overview report has been successfully created. And then from here, you will get to see a detailed view of your analytics. So you'll get to see the page fans, page reach, page impressions, page fans per country, page loss fans, and then a lot more. So feel free to experiment what kind of report you want to use for your Facebook posts. And then yeah, that is pretty much it on how to use Hootsuite for social media management.